Standing outside were two shivering rabbits. "It's freezing," said one rabbit. "We're frozen," said the... That's the baby. Oh, now that's better, isn't it? Yeah, you're such a good little boy. Yes, you are. Yes,
I hate this book.
You are naughty. You're going to break that book. We need it, don't we, for your little brother? Yes, we do. Yes, we do. Standing outside were two shivering rabbits. "It's freezing," said one rabbit. "We're frozen," said the other. Oh, that's your brother. Oh, we were enjoying that, weren't we? Tell you what, you look after the book. I'll go and get him. I'll be right back. That's better now, isn't it? Yeah. Now, where were we?
I hate this book.
Oh, it's a shame we had to stop reading, wasn't it? Did that make you sad? I know. Shall we carry on reading this book, or do you want to choose another?
A different one.
Okay. Oh, I like this one. When will it be spring?